hands together right here. Jack it out. Again, bring it up. Christmas cheer squad right here. 4 kicks. You go 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross jack. Again, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it right here. Same exact thing again. Single, double with those hips. 4, 3, pump and shuffle. 4, 3 from the top. 4 kicks. 4, 3, 2, 1. Single, double hips. Pump and shuffle. In 4, 3, 2, 2 more. Now right foot forward. 1, 2, 3. Double jump. Switch left side. Again. Bring it on up. Clap your hands. Take it back. Jack. From the top, 4 kicks. 3, 2, 1. Single, double. Get ready for that pump and shuffle. 4, 3, 2. Right foot forward. Finish it out right here. Santa's gonna come and make it mine, mine. Yeah.